Good morning, my name is Mrs. Lucy Hundson Christidis and I'm a technology teacher here in Pierce. In this room we use technology in the Gamma Gymnasium because we dissect different recipes and we try different ingredients, and you experiment with the material which in this room is your food. But in Alpha Gymnasium you get to use this room with home economics. So you'll try different experiments, different recipes, and just use the equipment, the oven and the hob and the other equipment in here to make things. But if this is something that is a passion of yours, then you can take part in the Omulo once a week, which is here, and maybe make something for the Christmas bazaar or the other occasions that we have in the school. And once you've learnt to use it here, you can take the knowledge home because you have this equipment home with you. Anyway, lovely to see you, and hopefully we'll see you all soon here.